Hello and welcome to Learn Statistics class. In this class we are going to learn the statistical concept in simple and more easy way. The topic of today's lecture is a continuous distribution which is known as chi-square distribution. In this lecture we will discuss the first definition of chi-square distribution. Second term is mean of chi-square distribution, and the third term variance of chi-square distribution. Let us start with the first term, definition of a chi-square distribution. A continuous random variable x is said to follow a chi-square distribution. Then its PDF is given by 1 upon 2 raised to n upon 2 gamma n by 2 e raised to minus x by 2 into x raised to n upon 2 minus 1 for 0 less than equal to x less than infinity, and it is 0 otherwise. Means PDF of chi-square distribution is 0 towards the negative side of the real line, and n a parameter greater than 0. It is denoted as x follow chi-square notation with n degrees of freedom. Here n is a constant which is known as degrees of freedom. Here degrees of freedom means a number of variables required to describe a particular distribution is known as degrees of freedom. Now we shall move to the second point, mean of chi-square distribution. If x follow chi-square with parameter n, then the mean of chi-square distribution is defined as expectation x is equal to integration minus infinity to infinity x into fx dx, since x is a continuous random variable. As we know that in the case of chi-square distribution, random variable x takes value 0 to infinity, so integration 0 to infinity x into PDF multiplied by PDF 1 upon 2 raised to n upon 2 gamma n by 2 e raised to minus x upon 2 x raised to n by 2 minus 1 dx. Now we will take the constant outside the integration, 1 upon 2 raised to n by 2 gamma n upon 2 integration 0 to infinity x raised to n upon 2 plus 1 minus 1 into e raised to minus x upon 2 dx. Now this is a gamma integral. By observing this integral, we know that this is a gamma integral. So we use the gamma integral to obtain the value of the integral. We know that integration 0 to infinity x raised to n minus 1 e raised to minus ax dx is equal to gamma n divided by a raised to n. This is a gamma integral which we have discussed in gamma distribution, etc. If a student want to learn the gamma distribution, click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of that lecture is also mentioned in the description below. Now compare this integral with our integral in arithmetic mean expectation x. We get the value of expectation x is equal to, constants are as it is, 1 by 2 raised to n by 2 gamma n by 2 into gamma n by 2 plus 1 divided by, here a is 1 by 2, so 1 half raised to n by 2 plus 1. This 1 by 2 raised to n by 2 plus 1 moves in the numerator as 2 raised to n by 2 plus 1 divided by, multiplied by first n by 2 plus 1 upon 2 raised to n upon 2 gamma n upon 2. Here 2 raised to n by 2, 2 raised to n by 2 cancel. So we are left with 2 into gamma n upon 2 plus 1 divided by gamma n by 2. Now we reduce this gamma n by 2 plus 1 by the reduction formula. Gamma n plus 1 is equal to n into gamma n, which we have discussed in the earlier lectures. So what will happen? Expectation of x is equal to 2 into n upon 2 gamma n by 2 divided by gamma n upon 2. This gamma n by 2 get cancelled, 2 cancel. We are left with n. Hence expectation of x is equal to n. This is the mean of chi-square distribution with n degrees of freedom. Hence mean of chi-square with n degrees of freedom is equal to its degrees of freedom itself. Now we shall discuss the next point, variance of chi-square distribution. If x follow a chi-square variate with n degrees of freedom, then variance is given by expectation of x square minus expectation x bracket square. Since we have calculated expectation x and it comes out to be n, so it is expectation x square minus n square. Now consider expectation of x square. We will first calculate this expectation of x square by integration minus infinity to infinity x square fx dx. Since x is from 0 to infinity, range of chi-square distribution, so it is integration 0 to infinity x square into 1 upon 2 raised to n by 2 gamma n upon 2 e raised to minus x upon 2 x raised to n upon 2 minus 1 dx. We shall take constants outside the integration in order to simplify the integration more easily. So expected x square is equal to 1 by 2 raised to n upon 2 gamma n upon 2 integration 0 to infinity x raised to n upon 2 plus 2 minus 1 multiplied by e raised to minus x upon 2 dx. This is a gamma integral. We will compare it with the standard gamma integral to write down the value of integration. So 1 upon 2 raised to n by 2 gamma n by 2 multiplied by, this is gamma n by 2 plus 2 divided by 1 upon 2 raised to n by 2 plus 2. So it is 2 raised to n by 2 plus 2 gamma n by 2 plus 2 upon 2 raised to n upon 2 gamma n upon 2. This 2 raised to n by 2 cancel with this 2 raised to n by 2 and we are left with 2 raised to 2 gamma n by 2 plus 2 divided by gamma n upon 2. Now we will reduce this gamma n by 2 plus 2 twice, since it is 2 more greater than the gamma n by 2 by the reduction formula as we have written in while calculating the mean. Gamma n plus 1 equal to n gamma n, like that. We will use it twice at a time. If student want to use in 2 steps, then it's okay. I will use repeatedly 2 times in the only one step. So this is equal to 2 square into, in the first step it become n plus n by 2 plus 1. In the next step it is n by 2 gamma n upon 2 divided by gamma n by 2. This gamma n by 2 and gamma n by 2 cancel. So we are left with 4 into n by 2 n by 2 plus 1. So it is 2n into n plus 2 by 2, which is equal to n into n plus 2, as this 2 to cancel. This is the value of expectation of x square. Now substitute this value in formula of variance. We get variance x is equal to n into n plus 2 minus n square. Simplify this bracket, which is n square plus twice n minus n square. So it is equal to 2n. Hence variance equal to variance of x is equal to 2n. This is the variance of a chi-square distribution with n degrees of freedom. If x follow a chi-square with n degrees of freedom, then its mean equal to its degrees of freedom, and variance is double the degrees of freedom, that is 2 into n. In this way, in this lecture we learn the definition of chi-square distribution and we calculate the value of mean and variance. In the previous lectures we have already discussed many more distributions from the continuous random variable and many more discrete standard distribution. If student want to learn all the topics, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of all the playlists are mentioned in the description below. I hope student understand how to obtain mean and variance of a chi-square distribution. If student like this lecture, click on the like button, share with your friends and classmates in order to learn the statistics in simple and more easy way. Further, students are requested to subscribe the Learn Statistics channel in order to get the notification of upcoming lectures in the upcoming days. We will meet in the next lecture with the next topic from the subject statistics. Till then, we will stop here. Thank you.